Hi everybody, this is Katie from Ollie and Ollie Facebook group. Today I'm going to show you an image that we recently created in the last video, an audiologist, and how we are going to use it and save it off from Cricut Design Space. Now I know it does not actually give you the option to right click, select, or save it into anything else, but I'm going to show you what I do to turn it into an image that I can use. So let's hide this first. So now I know that some of you guys are beginners and some of you guys are more experienced within Design Space. In Design Space, you have an option for rulers, which is here on the upper left-hand corner where the zeros meet. And you have the option to have your grids the way you want, or you can go to let's go into here, go into your settings from your space, and then you can ask for a canvas grid or no grid. So right now we are going to do a no grid because we want to save an image that we did. So we're going to select this image. Now I will tell you, make this as big as you can because you're going to be actually taking a screenshot of your screen of the program. So you're going to remove the box around it by selecting and clicking out of the box. Make sure that your cursor is out of the way. And I am on a laptop, so I have a function key, which is on the lower left-hand corner, and a print screen, which is PRTSCRN on the upper right hand corner near the backspace. I'm going to print my screen, take a picture of it. Now if you are on a desktop, you're able to do it on a regular keyboard. You may just have to press the print screen button, which is on the right side of your keyboard over your number pad. Or if you're using a mobile device, which is very simple, you just go ahead and take a screenshot of it, but try to make it hide everything possible. Try to make the image as large as possible in order for you to get the better quality of the image. So we press the print screen, and now what I do, since I'm on a Windows computer and I told you that I like to do things as if it's free, it's for me, and I definitely wouldn't want you guys to spend any more money on any expensive software, but there will be free software that I'm going to introduce. If you want to venture out, I'll give you some lessons on that. So for now, we're just going to use the basic Windows Microsoft Paint. So you can either go to Start, and then you can look for Paint here. What I do is on the bottom, now I have Windows 10. On the bottom, there's a search bar. All I do is I just write the word Paint, and it gives you the standard paint that you see right there if you look at the icon. And here you go. This is the basic Paint document. I'm just going to expand it out so you are able to see it. Let's full screen this. So from that, now we did a print screen, which is a copy capture. You have the paste button here, which is Control V. I like to use keywords, key functions, so I do Control V using the paste function right here. So now you have the full screen that you had on your desktop. What I do is I use the crop option, and then I only select the space that I want to copy. I selected it, press the copy button or Control C, copy. Now you're going to do a new document. Don't save this one because we don't need it. And there you go. You got yourself your saved document. We're going to save it as, I like to save it as PNG, so let's just go save as PNG, and then we can do this Audi 1. So, but before you are done, I want to show you something cool with Paint. You're going to click the resize button, click the pixels, 1132 by 617. It's not bad. You can probably print a 12 by 12 like this and it won't give you a hard time. Okay, so let's switch quickly over onto our mobile device, our phones. I am running an iPhone 11. So let's try to do the same function and get your image off from your phone into an actual image that is in your photo gallery. If you're running a Android, it may be a little bit different for you. So now you have your project up, and whatever image that it is that you have it up here. Like I said, I would prefer for you to expand as much space of your screen into the image. What I'm doing is I'm moving it a little bit over, and I am expanding the image as large as I can into my screen. Then I'm getting rid of the grid that's around it, the select feature. Then on the bottom right hand side of my phone, I hit the settings option and I remove the grid. This gives me a white background so that I am able to take a photo, a screenshot of this image. What I do is on my iPhone 11, I hit the right button on the top and the right up volume on the left hand side, and then I take the image. I select the image that I took the screenshot of. Now your Android device may be an up down together depending on what device you have. If you have any questions on how to take a screenshot off your phone or how to take a screenshot off of your computer or a Mac, please comment, ask me, PM me, direct message me, whatever you want, and I will try to help you. So here's what I did. I took the image and I physically cropped it. I cropped it on each side. I moved and narrowed down the space. I left everything as is, and then I pressed down. Save to photos. So now the image that we were looking for is now an image in our actual photo gallery. So now we go ahead and we're going to size the image in our photo gallery, and we're going to move it around. We're going to change it so that we can have a nice good view. And here you go. We've changed the size and we made a nice clear image that is going to be good for you to upload into other devices. Alright, I hope this helped you guys, and follow me, subscribe. I really hope that you guys are enjoying these videos. Comment below, ask me any questions if you need any help with key functions. I'm the person to ask. Alright, and have a good one. Take care now.